Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a future order. So enable to do a future order, and that's an order that isn't going to be made or picked up today, but let's say someone wants something a week from now, and you need to go in and ring it up now, but it doesn't need to be made till then, so you can make a future order. So what you do is you ring up the items that are on that order, and then you go over here to the info screen, and then over here on the right, if you scroll about halfway down here, we have ticket status, and we have hold ticket and promise time. So the hold ticket is going to give you the date and time to hold the ticket till. The promise time is what you tell the customer that the order is going to be ready by. So you can do both. So we'll do today, and we'll choose, it'll be ready by 9:10. And then I'm just going to hold the ticket for a few minutes here. So we're just going to do till 9:08. Okay, and then once you select those, you'll see that they're populated here, and then we're going to go in and hit send. Now, before you do a future order, you need to understand that once you do this, the ticket is you can't get rid of it. You can't close it. It's just going to be stuck. Anthem can't remove it. Heartland can't remove it. Nobody can remove it. So now when we go to our ticket screen, we can see here that it's there, and we can go to our status bar, and it shows us that the future order color is this, this greenish color here, greenish blue, teal. And you can see here that it also says future order down at the bottom. It tells you what time. Now I can go in here and pay for it, and I can go back to the info screen. I can transfer it to a different room. But I can't get rid of it. It's there until time expires. So we're going to wait until the 9:08 here, which shouldn't be too much longer. There we go. So now it's 9:08, which is our future order time. If we toggle screens, you'll notice it changed colors back. So now it's back to a paid in full. But it's not closed. It's not the dark green. And that's because it doesn't manually close it that way. So I have to go into the ticket, and now this button that was grayed out before, now I can select it. So now I can actually close the ticket and put it in closed status. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.